Okay friends, I am going to show you how I put together a really simple pressure cooker meal. Okay, right here I've got two beautiful pieces of pork butt roast. Nice. See the little bit of fat on there? Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, this is so simple. You'll love it. I just lay those in there, just like so. They'll fit right down in my can or my pressure cooker. This is not a canner. Now I've used my canner to cook before, but not this time. And then I'm just going to put some potatoes down around there. I'm not going to cut the little ones, but the bigger ones I'll cut in half. That'll be good. Lay these down around in there. And I'm making extra. I know it's just my husband. Well, my grandbabies are here today, but I'm making extra because it makes wonderful lunches. And it looks like I'm going to be able to get all them in there. Okay, there's my potatoes. Now I got one nice big onion. Okay, and I am just going to take the end off that first off. Quarter these. And just leave them in big chunks, because they'll fall apart in there. And that'll be good. See how easy that is? I love easy meals. Okay, and now I'm going to take one package of onion soup mix and just sprinkle it all on there with some salt. There's a nice chunk of pepper. Salt and pepper. Actually, I'll use a little bit of salt, and that comes out pretty quick. I'm also going to use a little bit of garlic salt and pepper in there, so it'll be good. Alright, that's it. Now I'm going to take and put just a good cup of water in there in the bottom. Maybe I'll do a little more because then I can have good gravy. Alright, it's all over the top of that. Okay, that's it, and it's that simple. I just moved everything. It's that simple. See how nice that looks in there? I'm just going to put my lid on, turn my burner on. I'm not going to let this heat up. I'm going to go ahead and stick my jiggler on there right now and let it go. And this, once it starts jiggling, I'm going to let it cook for a good 40 minutes. And it'll be just falling apart tender. So when that's all done, I'll be back and I'll show you how it looks. Okay friends, I let this cool. Not much left in there. Hear all them clicking? Alright, look at it steam. Ooh, look at that, it's done. It took 40 minutes. And look it. It just about falls apart in there. Beautifully. It's done real well. Maybe not. Maybe. Oh, maybe. I get down in there. I might have to put it on for a little bit more. But my potatoes everything are done. I'm going to put this back on. I got lots of fluid and liquid in there. See that? Oh boy. So I don't have to worry about losing any liquid. I'm just going to turn this on. This is so simple. Turn it on for about another 10 minutes. Once it starts to jiggle, and then it should be done completely through. The meat wasn't tender enough for me. So, when that's done, let me put my jiggler back on there. When that gets done, I'll be back and I'll show you again. Hey friends, we'll see how this turned out. 10 minutes. It's been 10 additional minutes. Ooh. Now that's all it took, and it's still boiling. Look at that. Falling right apart. That's what I want. I'm going to taste that. Oh my gosh, that season's so good. Okay, so I'm going to let this cool off and sit just for a few minutes. And then I'm going to plate it up for dinner. I'll take a picture, and I'll show you. There you have it, though. It is really easy. You can come home, throw the roast and the potatoes, and you can even do this with the regular roast. You can do this with any meat, actually. Put it all in there, all together, season it, put a little water in the bottom of it. That cooks for what? That went for about 45 minutes. And it's done. Easy. There you have it. Thanks for watching.